Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Fox One subscription. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to log in into your fox.com account, and once you logged in into your fox.com account, you need to tap on your profile icon and it will show you a drop down menu, and you need to select my account. Once you select my account, you will redirect on this page. There you can see your all active subscription. So there is a button, you can choose cancel plan. Once you select cancel plan, it will pop up a new window. You need to follow the prompts like cancel subscription, and it will ask a reason for cancellation, and after that when you follow the prompts, it will ask you in the end like you want to cancel your subscription or you want to keep your subscription. So you need to tap cancel subscription button. So by using this method, you can easily cancel your Fox Nation or Fox One subscription. And there is one more method by which you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on iOS or Android, then in that case you can cancel your subscription on Play Store also. So you need to visit on Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon and you need to select payments and subscriptions, and then you need to select subscription, and then you need to select your Fox One app, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription from iOS, in that case what you will do, you can open your settings in your iPhone and you need to tap on your Apple ID and you need to select subscription, and then you need to select Fox One app from the list of active list subscriptions. Okay, then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So by using these three methods, you can easily cancel your subscription on Fox One. Okay, so if you have any other issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.